everyone, and welcome to Sofia DIY Studio. I'm Sofia, and today I'm excited to share another creative DIY project with you. If you enjoy miniature buildings, handmade crafts, and creative ideas that you can make at home, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how this project comes together step by step with simple materials and a little creativity. We begin by preparing all the pieces carefully. Taking your time during this stage helps create cleaner and more professional results. Every small detail matters, and even simple materials can become something amazing when assembled with patience. Now we start building the structure. As you can see, each piece is placed carefully to create a strong foundation. This is one of my favorite parts because the project slowly starts taking shape, and you can really see the idea coming to life. Next, we add more details and decorations. Details are what make miniature projects look realistic and unique. Whether it's the walls, windows, roof, or decorative elements, each addition helps tell a story and makes the final creation special. While working on DIY projects, remember that there is no single perfect way to create something. Feel free to experiment with different colors, materials, and designs. Creativity grows when you try new ideas and make each project your own. Now, the project is almost complete. We are making the final adjustments and checking every single detail. Finishing touches may seem small, but they can make a big difference in the overall. Look at how everything comes together. It's always satisfying to see a project transform from simple materials. I hope you enjoyed this project and got some inspiration for DIY crafting, DIY creations. But also, if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for spending your time in DIY Studio for more exciting DIY projects and miniature builds. Thanks for watching.